Welcome! Today we will learn how to add numbers using kid-friendly, step-by-step methods. We will move from real objects to pictures to numbers so everything makes sense. Step 1. Use real things. Let's tell a story. Here are 2 red cars and 3 blue cars. We put them together and count all the cars. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Step 2. Use pictures. Let's draw dots. Point and count each dot. 2 plus 3 still equals 5. Step 3. Use a number line. To add 2 plus 3, start at 2 and hop 3 times to the right. First hop to 3, second hop to 4, third hop to 5. We land on 5, so 2 plus 3 equals 5. Step 4. Use your fingers. Show 2 fingers, then show 3 fingers. Count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 5. Number bonds. 5 can be split into 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. Step 6. Games and stories. First, a little board game. Roll a 2, then roll a 3. Move a total of 5 spaces. Now a quick story. 4 apples, and 2 more apples makes how many? That makes 6 apples. Step 7. Symbols. Here is 4 plus 2 equals question mark. Use any strategy you like, dots, fingers, or number line, to find the sum equals 6. Step 8. Mental strategies. First, counting on. 4 plus 3. Start at 4 and count. 5, 6, 7. Next, make 10. 4, 8 plus 5. Break 5 into 2 and 3. Add 2 to 8 to make 10, then add 3 to get 13. Step 9. Give positive feedback. Praise effort and celebrate progress. Step 10. Practice a little each day. Mix hands on objects, simple pictures, and quick problems. By moving from objects to pictures to numbers, children understand what adding really means. Keep it playful, concrete, and visual, and addition becomes friendly and fun.